I'm here with Ty Collins. Ty is a client of Sensible Fitness.
Doug, how are you?
I'm doing wonderful. Ty has a great story that he's going to share with you, and at the same time he's going to show us how to do a vertical bench press. This is a machine that's seen in about every health club across the nation. It's basically a bench press where you're sitting up, therefore we call it vertical. Ty, go to it, buddy.
Alrighty.
Let's crank out 15 reps.
Alrighty.
The first thing you got to do with a machine like this is adjust the seat so that it fits you. We like to see the seat at a proper height so that your hands are about chest level, about nipple level. And then there's also the back of the seat that needs to be adjusted, and that needs to be moved forward or back so that when you come back with the weight, you can come all the way back without the weight touching. Okay, you don't want the weight stack to come down and touch. You can hear it touching maybe just slightly, and that means we have it set just right. Basically what we're doing is a bench press motion, pushing out. This is the pectoralis major, the prime mover, pectoralis major. We also have other muscles that are assisting, the triceps and the anterior deltoid. So a great compound movement. A compound movement is one that uses lots of muscles. But again, the main muscle working here is the chest muscle. Ty should be exhaling as he pushes forward. That's the exertion phase of this exercise. And we've been doing about 15 reps with Ty, which is conducive with the fitness goals that we have established for him. Ty, you've been here about 3 months. How much weight have you lost?
About 28 pounds
28 pounds of fat.
of fat.
Yeah, because he's gained muscle on top of it, so he's actually lost more weight than that.
And about 3.5 pounds of muscle. So
That's awesome.
yeah.
3 months, 3 months. He made a 1-year commitment, which is a substantial investment. And you happy so far? Or?
Very happy. I mean, I feel like I've seen a lot of results in a very short period of time, and
Right.
and it just continues to get better and better.
That's-
It's not like it's tailing off. It feels like, you know, the longer I'm doing it, the better I feel, and the more results I see. So
Right.
that's pretty encouraging to be able to go and see the results just constantly happening. You don't feel like you're just kind of plateauing and really not going anywhere. I'm constantly seeing new developments all the time. So
That's great.
that's exciting.
Feeling better, energetic, or anything different there?
Way better. And I work in the sales field, so it's one of those deals where you're out in the field or you're in the office, and when you're out of shape and you don't feel well, it affects your job.
Right.
And I feel like the commitment I made here to do this for a year. I mean, I'm already seeing the energy level pick up, just not only here in the gym and what I can do here in the gym, but
Right.
the work I do at work.
Right. One of these days I'm going to trick you. When someone loses a lot of weight here, I'll pick up, like Ty's lost 30-some pounds. I'll give him a 30-pound dumbbell and make him carry it around for the entire hour. And by the time you're done, you're like, man, this is heavy. This is killing my back. Well, you're carrying around every day when you're overweight, So sometimes if people get frustrated, I'm not losing enough, I give them a dumbbell that weighs as much as they've lost and make them carry it. And then it's a whole new way to look at it,
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, no doubt about that.
Second set, buddy. Second set. Vertical bench press. There's 2 different handles on this one. Ty's using the top handle. When you use the top handle, the handle that's horizontal, you're going to have your elbows out to your side like this, okay? This is horizontal abduction of the shoulder, which is going to incorporate more chest. If I was to have Ty grab the bottom handles, his elbow is going to be down here at your side. You're not going to have the abduction of the shoulder. This is going to bring in a lot more triceps, because when you grab the bottom handle, your elbow bends a lot more, which is going to engage the tricep, and also it's going to engage some of the lower chest fibers. So we'll mix it up a little bit, but typically with this machine we're targeting the chest, so we'll use the horizontal handle rather than the vertical handle. If you have any kind of shoulder issues like a rotator cuff or just a pain up here in the shoulder, try that other handle, the vertical handle. Keeping your elbow at your side with no abduction might take away that pain. Excellent job, excellent job. Okay, buddy, tell me about the clothes. They have to be fitting different.
Yeah, I was telling Doug that I bought a suit, I don't know, a couple of years ago because I'd always been kind of up and down on my weight, and I bought a suit, and at the time it fit really well, and so I wore it for a while, and last winter, just probably not too much longer after that, actually, I ended up joining Sensible Fitness here, but I had to go to a trade show dinner. And I put that suit on and I couldn't even button it, and I had to wear it out the whole time, and it was
couldn't button the jacket.
Couldn't button the jacket.
Okay.
Yeah, and it was it was just kind of a downer and kind of embarrassing, because you thought, well, one time I could wear that, and so I think that had a little something to do with it. And I put that on maybe, I don't know, a couple of weeks ago, and I mean, I could almost, wrap it a little bit.
Yeah.
You can button it and pull it out some. So yeah, I can tell that there's a big difference there just in that. So that was definitely something that kind of helped motivate me a little bit.
You're gonna have to buy new clothes here. I mean,
yeah.
Because again, it's been only 3 short months, and he's lost nearly 30 pounds of fat, and I mean, he's still going too.
Still going. Got a long ways to go, but we're off to a good start. Not even a fourth of the way through, really.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That's fantastic, bud. Great job. I'm glad you're happy with us. I mean, because we try to make it happen for you.
It's the best thing I've ever done, to be honest.
That's great. Well, I appreciate it, man. I appreciate those kind words.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Great exercise for your chest, a vertical bench press. Give it a try in your next workout.